Do I need an attorney if I am injured in a crash with a truck? Some people involved in a trucking accident believe they don't need a lawyer because truck insurance adjusters will take care of them. But Berg Injury Lawyers knows that is not true. In fact, that is the opposite in most circumstances. Far too many trucking companies and insurance carriers will fight against any claim, often protecting very dangerous truck drivers and unsafe vehicle conditions. Thus, it is perhaps even more important that victims of a trucking accident in California obtain an experienced truck accident lawyer, like ours at Berg Injury Lawyers. Trucking companies tend to fight very hard because the claims generally involve more significant injuries and bigger settlements. For instance, commercial vehicles have what is called an electronic control module, or ECM. This is like a black box for a truck because it records critical data about speed, direction, and whether the driver was braking or accelerating, amongst other vital pieces of data. This information must be carefully downloaded and preserved because it can be accidentally deleted. You need an experienced lawyer who can quickly swoop in to safeguard that data. Liability issues are also complex. Not only must truck drivers follow California law, but they must also follow complex federal regulations. These regulations include things like restrictions as to how many hours a truck driver can drive without stopping for a certain number of hours to sleep. If a truck driver violates any of these regulations, it can be evidence of negligence. However, many inexperienced lawyers don't know how to use these violations against a defendant. But we do at Berg Injury Lawyers, which can make all the difference in making sure you get all the money and benefits that you deserve. At Berg Injury Lawyers, we offer the no-fee guarantee. If you don't win, you pay nothing. To learn more about how we can maximize your potential recovery, call for your free consultation by dialing 866-928-4640 or reach out to us through our website at berginjurylawyers.com.